Hello and welcome, future entrepreneurs. My name is Professor Brown, and I am so excited to guide you through this 8 weeks journey into the world of small business ownership and management. I am not only a professor, I am an entrepreneur, a salon owner, an MBA graduate, and a mom. So you are learning from someone that has done it and is still doing it. I welcome you all here for this 8 weeks. Week 1 agenda. Week 1 agenda is due. Dates are from October 13 to October 19. All our quizzes are on Sundays. All our assignments are supposed to be submitted before midnight on the Sunday. And week 1 agenda is we're going to cover chapters 1 and 2, entrepreneur perspective and entrepreneur journey and pathways. The assignments, again, I'd always do the ending of the weekend, usually on a Sunday. The first assignment is your check-in assignment, which is about you introducing yourself to the class. And I'm going to upload a PowerPoint slide that you will follow. And that's exactly the format I want you to submit your assignment in. Again, the PowerPoint slide will be in your module for that week. And that's only for you to introduce yourself. That's what the PowerPoint slide is for. Second, we will do chapters 1 and 2. And chapters 1 and 2, may I remind you, the textbook is free. This textbook is free when you access it online. The link is in your syllabi. So you can access the information that I have here in this book online for free. Or if you're someone that loves to have hard copies, you can order it on Amazon. I believe they are $34. Do not quote me on that, but they're pretty reasonable for you to have. As an entrepreneur or someone that wants to start your business, I highly recommend you have this. Again, you could also get a cover or print copy from the bookstore, and that will be printed to you. It won't come in this format, but it will be printed where you'll have 3 whole binders so you can put it in a binder. But with that said, this is our textbook. It's available to you online when you use the link in your syllabus. Second, again, the PowerPoint introduction is for you to give me your name, your major, and your dream business, a fun fact and hobby about yourself, and an optional video of a vision board or something of that sort. Tip for success: review your syllabus and grading points. Contact me anytime at mariatu.brown@chaffey.edu. Please feel free to text me, email me. Well, not text, but email me. Send me a Zoom link if you want to have an appointment with me, one-on-one appointment, so I can answer your questions. Please feel free to do that. We do have the Chaffey Success Center. If you have questions, please let me know so I can guide you how to find help through Chaffey Success Center. What's another one? This is your time to shine. Your business start with your story, and that's why I need you to submit your PowerPoint to me so I can know what you are about. Let's build something together that you will not forget. I am here for you. I am here anytime you need me. You can subscribe to my YouTube link or YouTube button or whatever satisfies you. You don't have to subscribe to my YouTube link, but I am definitely going to be using YouTube throughout the semester to guide you with your weekly announcements and what I'm expecting from you as far as your assignment goes, your quizzes goes, your business plan project goes. And I will see you here every week. I will post something so that you will know how to get through this course online. Mind you, we are 8 weeks course. We are a fast track course. Everything is online. You can gain access to me through email or Zoom, and I will be really willing and ready to assist you with whatever questions that you have. Let's make this a amazing experience, and I want you all to get out with something that you could really apply to your own businesses. Welcome to my class. Let's do this together. Bye.